Bathroom door installation time. Are those steps in the way or are they helpful? They can be awkward. They're not rigid.
It doesn't fit.
Seriously?
No, it does.
Oh, jeez.
What's that?
Is there any damage up there, the dark spot? It's tight. You don't like the sound of that, Sky? I'm sorry. Yeah, another inch left to go. Okay.
Yeah, you should be alright.
Alrighty. Thank you. Sky, it's okay now. It's safe. It's quiet. Yeah. Yeah, I know, Sky. You want to play.
I just put regular drywall screws in there, and then I ended up, when I was trying to adjust it,
Yeah, you pulled the screw
I
out.
know I did, and then I ended
Oh,
up.
jeez. So the drywall screws break easily?
No, they just don't go in very far and grab enough threads.
Oh.
So they pull out super easy. You stuck in there or what?
Oh.
Break the door a little bit.
You're gonna break it?
How's it look?
It's perfect.
There you go, perfect.
Well, it does make a lot more sense to swing in
Oh yeah.
now that you actually see it. And by coincidence, the smaller door was a good thing.
Is that how much you need?
Put some pressure on that, just in case. I don't know.
Okay. Say. Do you need more?
No, not like.
Oh, okay.
There's that P word again. Perfect.
Too thin? Yeah. Good idea.
Where'd they go? There they are.
So we're gonna tap that up a tad, just to make it look. Otherwise, there's nothing you can do.
No, I absolutely.
Was that the break the door part?
Yeah.
These are longer screws that actually go into the stud, not just the frame.
gonna stop right there.
That's all it takes. Well, unfortunately, what I normally do before I even put those, you do that first.
Little adjustment to the pre-hung frame. So now the door is going to come off so the plumber can finish up inside. Watch the garage. There you go. It's hard when you're looking down watching your feet.
Yeah. Especially coming off that ledge.
Yeah. The ledge.
Yeah.
The ledge room.